Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help fix Nissan Altima Bluetooth. First, let's start fresh. Turn off your vehicle completely and wait for at least 10 minutes before restarting it. This allows the system to fully power down. Next, delete any existing Bluetooth connections for your phone from the Altima's infotainment system. Also, remove the Altima's profile from your phone's Bluetooth settings. This ensures a clean slate for reconnection. Now, let's try a hard reset. Find your Altima's fuse box, which is typically located under the dashboard or beneath the hood. Consult your owner's manual if you need help locating it. Identify the specific fuse for your audio or infotainment system. Carefully pull this fuse out for approximately 30 seconds, then reinsert it firmly. This action can often clear minor software glitches and restore functionality. With the system reset, it's time to reconnect your phone. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. On your Altima's infotainment screen, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu. Select the option to add new device and carefully follow the instructions displayed. You will likely see a pairing code. Confirm this code matches on both your phone and the car's display to complete the connection. If you're still experiencing issues, here are a few more tips. First, ensure your phone's operating system is fully updated. Sometimes, older software can cause compatibility problems. Try pairing a different phone to your Altima to determine if the issue is with your car or your specific device. Always refer to your Altima's owner's manual for detailed, model-specific instructions. If all else fails, a professional inspection might be necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.